Start this exercise by taking comfortable seated position. Try to keep your chest open, your back straight and long. If you want, you can lean onto a wall. Or optionally, if you feel more comfortable, you can lie down on your back. When you have found your comfortable position wherever you decided to be, start noticing your breath. Feel how it's flowing in and out. Peel away any tension from your face. Just relax your face, your jaw, and let your breath flow smoothly in and smoothly out. Maybe you feel your breathing slowing down a little bit. And if you haven't already, close your eyes, soften your eyes. Let your whole face be relaxed. Relax your shoulders. And relax your lower body as well. Being completely relaxed. And then again, for a little while, bring your attention to your breath. Feel how it's flowing in and out. Feel how the air feels when you inhale and how it feels when you exhale. Then feel the gratitude for your health. Feel gratitude for each one of your breaths. For your functioning body. For the fact that you don't have to think about too much of your body functioning, meaning your breathing, your heart beating. Just feel gratefulness of it all. Then feel gratitude for your family, your loved ones, your friends, for them being there for you, for their love and support. And for their health as well. Then feel the gratitude for the people around you. Everyone who surrounds and supports you. And let the joy of them being in your life fill your heart. And feel the warmness in your heart for all the people in your life, their health, as well as your health, your body. Let your breath deepen a little. Feel the gratitude for your mind, for your dreams, your desires, where you at right now. Then feel the gratitude for the food that nourishes you. It makes you stronger. It keeps you alive and functioning. Be grateful for the fact that you have always food in your table. Take a deep breath. Let your belly rise when you inhale. Let it drop when you exhale. Let your breath start from the belly, expand to your ribs and all the way to the collarbones. And once you exhale, let your belly drop towards your spine. And feel the gratitude for the beauty of the nature around you. For the trees, for the birds, plants and flowers. Everything that creates really beautiful world around you. With your next inhalation, observe your body, relax, then feel gratitude toward yourself. Within your next inhalation, feel the gratitude about everything around you. Everything in your life. Let the gratitude warm your heart. And as our meditation is coming to an end, you can take a little while and just notice how you feel. When you are ready, you can start bringing a little bit movement into your body. Just waking yourself up. And waking yourself up in a way that feels comfortable for you. And take your time. When you are ready, you can open your eyes and continue on with your